Hello, everybody. Just a quick checking. I know some of you were trying to join today, and I probably give you the wrong way to join. So hopefully everything runs smooth for now. Just a quick checking. If something happens and you cannot join my session, here's a quick checking. So first of all, check your email because I always send emails. And second of all, here's also at your left bar. There's hopefully a pronto message thing where you can see a message for the whole Mac 200. So if I send you this, if you can see it once you're watching this video, please respond. You will be able to check in with me here. And when I mean checking and quick questions, I mean things that you can do fast that don't require answers. I mean more like, oh, what is this about? Or how can I join your session? Or things like that. Or if you cannot join my session, like just tell me that this is the best way I think to get me to contact you, apart from email. Now, the other thing is this: I'm doing the video right now, which I'll post here. You'll hopefully see it once if you're watching this video, you just have seen it. But here I'm apologizing for what happened. Here's the link for joining the session, and if I open it, well, for me it will look different because I'm already in and signed in for tutoring of another department. But for you, it will look like a waiting room, which will be where I can help you. And like I say, hopefully things will smoother from now on. And the other thing is this. So here's a quick view of how sessions will look like for SI. I have sessions on Tuesday from 12 to 1 and sessions from Friday from 1 to 2. And the way we're gonna do this is uh on Tuesdays we're gonna work on stuff that are due on Thursdays, and on Fridays we're gonna work on stuff that are due on Tuesdays, so that if you have things to do or if you have stuff that you need to do for the next class, then you have time to ask questions. Now, it's not that we cannot work on stuff from the past, but ideally, in I recommend this. Ideally, come prepared for working for stuff for the next day. Now, the other thing is this. I know a lot of you have been struggling with SAS and the labs, so I wanted to give you a small help, because I know some of you been struggling with the codes. So I make a quick outline, for example, for lab number two, and just like to guide you through it, this is what it is. So I say some of the stuff here that we talk during classes, and then I add some of the code that we talk during classes. So for example, this code shows average and mean of PPB1, and this is what it is. Now remember, prop means data equal fling word.fling. Word.fling is the name of the file. So if you change the name of the file, even if it doesn't, if it is not word.fling, if it is waterfling or something else, make sure to keep it consistent all along. With the other code, for example, you will see different ones here, explaining each of what it does, and you want to use this as you have the slides, because the slides will tell you, oh, can you, in a way, will tell you, can you do an average of this? Can you do a mean of this on SAS? And this is where you want to refer to. Now, like I said, this is stuff that are talking is talking in the class. So as long as you keep joining the classes, this is already covered. But if it's helpful for some students, then I'll keep doing this. Now again, remember this is a research work or like a project based work. So this is a lab. So apart from doing the SAS work, you got to analyze the data that you obtain and complete the slides that are provided by our professor. Of course, remember step four, like I said here, make the slides yours. So make sure you style your slides the way you want them to look, and make sure to do your research for those areas that you don't have information from SAS. For example, demographics. That's something you will have to research on your own. Again, SI sessions are for this, sensations are for us talking about what is you are struggling with, what can be helpful, and things that you can do to improve your learning. Again, this format is just for you to see it, um, but you may have to twist it a little bit depending on what you're trying to get. Now, this is just a quick outline, but make sure to get what you need. One more thing. Once I uh, once I post this announcement, you will see it on Canvas. Please, please, please make sure to let anybody else know if you think they won't see it, because this is, I think, the most important one, and will help everybody else to go through the process of this class. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you on my sessions.